Good morning. I wanted to share with you this product from Misxi. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a case for the iWatch Ultra. I have the iWatch Ultra 3, and I've developed a couple of little cracks in it, which is kind of a pain in the neck, but I do like to keep the screen protected, all right? So what I'm going to do is take this off. Now, the iWatch 3 Ultra, the iWatch Ultra 3, I find it very difficult to get the cover off of it, okay? So I do have this great toolkit right here that I bought a few years back, and I found it phenomenally helpful with doing many different things. It's got so many specialty tools in it, and I can't even count how many there are. And they just have some electric, not electric, but it does have also some suction cups to pry your screen off at certain devices, all kinds of different screwdrivers and sockets and you name it. But the reason I mentioned that toolkit because I find it invaluable. This little plastic tool to actually get the cover off of the watch. You just kind of have to pry around with it a little bit, and we'll get it. It's very difficult to do with your fingers. There's absolutely no doubt about that. Very difficult to do with your fingers. Now see, a little pry with this and it popped right off. All right, that's exactly what I was looking for. And we'll just get it off the other side. But this side here, when you start over here, that's the easiest way to get the watch cover off. And it seems to be hung up on something here now. Yeah, it's off. So let's open up the Misxi, and we'll put it right on the watch, and we'll put the watch right back on. Right, you've got two. It comes with two covers, and it comes with a wet wipe and a dry wipe, two of each. So this one is cracked. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I got two cracks right here in it. Let's open our package and take out one cover. If I can get it. Take out one cover. And I just like, after having a few covers for this watch, I just like the plain, clear cover. That's all I like. And I'll put this up in my cabinet, so when I need to replace this one, I'll be able to do it. So let's take the wet wipe and clean the watch. Wipe that down. Okay, give it a good wipe down. And then we'll use the drying cloth and we'll also dry it. Although I think it's going to dry pretty quickly on its own. But they give it to you, so let's use it. Yeah, there we go. Now you can see this only goes on one way, right? The way the watch is. So you peel off the inside because that leaves it super clean. You put it on from the right side of the watch because that's the most difficult to match up. And you just press it down and you're done. That's on. And then there's another little peel here. You take that off and everything is good in the world again with your watch. Got a new cover, no cracks on it. The screen is preserved for the that was underneath, and that was it. I hope if you need a cover for your watch that you'll consider this product here. Thank you.